Hi guys, today we are looking at Robot Rush from Holy Fire Games. You can play this on a desktop computer on the Gazpo IO site. In Robot Rush you are alone, surrounded by mad robots who are intent on bringing about your immediate demise. What can you do? Shoot. Just shoot everything. Don't stop shooting. Just to be clear, if in doubt, we advise shooting. You are in a big arena and are in a fixed position. The controls are pretty straightforward. You click the left mouse button to fire and you use the mouse pointer to aim around you 360 degrees. The robots come at you in waves. You can see this indicated by the number in the circle on the top right of the screen. The numbers of robots and their speed vary. The coloured circle will be completed when you have destroyed all the robots from that wave. But then beware, as you will face a boss robot which is more difficult to destroy. While you are fighting off the robots to stay alive, there are a number of other things you will have to watch out for. You will randomly see bombs appear. When you shoot them, they kill all robots on screen instantly. It's good to time when you shoot these, especially when fighting the big waves. Occasionally you will see a 2x icon, which means for a short time you will get double the points for destroying the robots if you shoot this. Watch out for life-giving hearts. At the bottom of the screen you start with 3 hearts, which means you have perfect health. When bitten by the robots you will lose them, so when you see the hearts randomly appear, shoot them to replenish your health. Be sure to get these quick as they disappear soon. The robots take a few shots to be destroyed. Soon you will get used to shooting a few bullets at one target and then quickly changing aim at the next one. This is a good skill to master, as in the later waves the robots come at you very quickly. Robot Rush is another great fast-paced action game from Holy Fire Games. It will surely leave you on the edge of your chair with a faster heartbeat. What will your high score be? Enjoy.